All right, guys, we finally made it to the creation shop. So brand new. Let's go in. Let's take a look around, see what they got. All right, they do have a lot of new Epcot only merchandise. Of course, you know we are in Epcot, but it's very open store. Interesting. Oh, there is some Mickey stuff on the walls. It is kind of, I've heard generic looking, and so I'm looking around thinking, yeah, it does look a little bit generic, but that'll change too over time. Yeah, so this Epcot stuff actually, I saw this already in picture and it looks better in person than it does through picture or video. So I'm just kind of letting you know that ahead of time. There should be some kind of a bag here. I don't see a price. You see a price on it? Okay. Oh, it's... These are the 2 per item things.
There, right here. $59.99.
50? Really? Okay. $59.99 for this. It's this. Oh, it's a pay. So shop, scan, pay, and go. Cool. Very nice. This is a good idea. Shouldn't be considered unique, but it is at this point. All right. We're moving on. They have jewelry. They got a lot. Seems like a lot more diverse selection. Oh, those Crocs are actually pretty cool. I know Crocs aren't the go-to thing anymore, but those are pretty cool. So they have a lighter weight, like running short, I think. Maybe those are underwear. Oh, vintage Disney shirts over there. Those are nice. They have basically a whole section over here for hats. That's actually pretty cool. Oh. Cool cups. See how much these are. $25. That's cool. But it's a novelty. They'll end up in my cabinet and just sit there. Beach towels, bowls, cups. Yeah, there's actually a really large selection of merchandise. Look at these spoons. Oh, cookie cutter spoons. These are really cool. Good, they have a kitchen area. Oh, look at the salt and pepper shaker. Those are really cool.
Other side.
It's on the other side? Oh, $40. And they're actually heavy, wooden. Those are really nice. This is really cool. Over here? Yeah. Yeah, I saw these now online. These mugs. Right here. They're $20. Those look cool, don't they? Wow, they do have a lot of kitchen stuff. Even the baking pans. These are those molded baking pans. Let's see how much these are. Hang on here. Somebody actually pulled it out of one. No price. Do you see a price on those anywhere? I don't see a price. They have plates.
$19.99.
Okay, they're $19.99. That's actually not bad. I've wanted a set of those, so maybe on another trip. Have tons of candy selection. Over here. Yeah, potato chips, candy, sunglasses. This is actually very nice. Oh, crap. Paging Mr. Tomorrow. 28 bucks. These are nice.
How much?
28.
You want one?
We'll come back. Get them again sometime.
Don't do that.
Those are cool. Do you think they are?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Those are actually really cool. I just don't know that I want to carry it around with me. We're going to pause here for a minute. All right, we decided we're getting the Paging Mr. Morrow thing here. That's right, it's that difficult of a decision for us. All right, this is the checkout place. They all have the scan and go. So we're looking. I don't know if there's a line here. Don't really know. Did we just get in line here anywhere, or is this a line? Okay, we're gonna find out here. I'll let you know. All right, let me walk you through this. You go in here, you come through this area, you come around, you get in line. In case you don't know, which I just didn't know. It's a little confusing right now. All right, and they do accept annual pass holder discounts here. I want to let you know that. Make sure you use that discount if you got it. All right, checkout completed. All right, guys, that's a quick overview of the Creation Shop. We'll probably do something a little more in depth someday, soon.